guys, welcome to my channel, Lovely Gravy, where I love to talk about that cheddar, that moolah, that bread, that gravy, that mashed potatoes, whatever you want to call it. I am going to be sharing with you guys today how I consistently make $800 on average daily trading in Forex. So for those of you who don't know what Forex is the foreign exchange market. So it's basically where you're exchanging foreign currency, and when the value of one currency goes up or down, you can make money off of that. And I'm going to show you guys live. I was able to record and capture some of the actual orders that I put in and how I trade in the stock market to make money. So stay tuned, guys, because I'm about to show you live how I get this gravy.
I'm in profit, y'all. It's 10:23. I got in this buy at 10 o'clock on US 30. I seen that it was going to buy up because it was buying up. And all my signals was there. I was looking in Trading View as well. Take it back to Trading View, and I seen, price had already came down. It did this little touch at a 45, and since US 30 is in an overall buy, I'm like, this might be trying to form a W, or it might just come back and tap the 20 again. Its price has came up twice, even in this consolidation right here, whatever it's doing. Price has came up twice and tap this little area, so I think price is eventually gonna come back and tap that again. And if you look at it in Hugo, baby, here's my TP that I set in Hugo. Price has done came up and tapped that area twice. Boom. And now you coming back up. Boom. Listen. Twice has hit the street and then came up to this area. Came back down to the street again. Came up to this area. Came back down to the street again. And it's time for you to come back up and hit my TP. It's going to go slow now, but your girl is in profit, and it's going to rise up. You're going to see me make money, and by the time my TP close on this, what's this US 30? I got in at, this is 10:25, by the way. Look at that, guys. I'm already at $20. Got in this at 10 o'clock, y'all. I done made $20 in 20 minutes. But anyway, price was at 28,475, and my TP is at 28,519. So yeah, that was 10:23 when I did the first video. It's 10:32, and look at where we at. She going up and down between 50, 60, 70. She gonna hit my TP though, because she going up. This is the consolidation that they do. But wait. Oh, I'm gonna wait, baby. We gonna wait till about the top of the hour. She gonna hit my TP.
Yeah, I got y'all. Kids, stay in school, stay in there. I got too much going on, y'all. Too much going on.
I just want to catch a touch my TP live, y'all. The price playing with me. Look at my TP. My TP is the red line. It's like $88, y'all. Scroll over here. It's like 88, 86. And I got in this trade at 10 o'clock. So to make $80 in an hour, yeah, let's go. So would you quit your job for $80 an hour? And it's probably not going to take the whole hour This is the 1 hour chart, so it might take the whole hour. You see price trying to skate up and down. Y'all, I'm trying to catch it live. Hit my TP so I can show y'all. This is why I set my TP. Price has done came back down every time it bounced off this line. It came up here, bounced off, came up here, and then it did a big bounce off and started coming up. So I got in, boom. Now you need to go ahead and slap my TP and stop playing with me. And this is looking at the 1 hour chart, y'all. I'm giving y'all like nuggets, like trading off the 1 hour chart. But see, price goes up and down. Like, I want to show y'all this. I want y'all to see it live. Like, I seen my account in negative and everything. And now I'm just consolidating a little bit. And profit is doing that thing, price too. The buyers is fighting the sellers. But if you know how to read the charts, you know, I'm not sweating it. I'm not sweating it going up and down. But I want you guys to see that you shouldn't sweat it going up and down neither. Because when you know what you know, this is what the signs say. So when I know what I know, I know what I know. I just want to catch it live for y'all. I want to catch it right up there live so y'all can see. Price has done got there. So it doesn't matter if it take a whole nother candlestick to get there, which it probably won't. But price is going to tap my TP. Just be patient. Patience equals profit. Always. Always in these markets. Y'all look at price. Remember we got in this thing at 10 o'clock. And my TP is at $88 and 80 something, like 80, I don't know. Look at price. It keep consolidating, but you see how it's climbing higher and higher. Each consolidation is climbing higher and higher. That means one of those smaller time frames is making higher highs right now. That's what it's doing. Probably the 5 minute. But we gonna wait. We gonna wait. So price climb on back up. You see, it's patience. That's all it takes is patience. I can sit here and run this whole thing, but I don't want to run out all my video because I'm on my phone. I need to get a camera or something. But we gonna wait. We gonna wait. We gonna wait for price to do what it's gonna do, because it's gonna get me up to 88. I'm not taking 72. I'm not tapping out early. I'm not just grabbing this profit and saying, ooh, okay, cool. I'll take 60. Not when I know, not when price has done it to me. It's happened to me too many times. I sit here and watch the charts and I look at this and I'm like, okay, let me just take my profit. I'm tired of looking at it. Let me just take my profit. I'm tired of looking at it. Let me just take my profit. And then I come back 5 or 10 minutes later and price done smash my TP. So if I would have just waited, see, especially when I do that, my TP is 88. Price came up to 80 and then crashed back down to 50. But I'm showing you guys, when you set a TP and you're confident, you just know yourself, I don't care if that mug come up to 80. You're going to smash 88 too, because the charts told me that. I'm looking at the charts. The charts told me, baby, you came up here. Baby, then you came up here and touched the 20. I'm not even at the 20. I know price might come up here and touch the 20. Price might even come up here and bounce off the 45. I mean, price might go up more, but I'm not finna sit and wait for that shit. But I know it's coming from the blue street, so it's gotta at least touch the middle street. It's got to. That's what my indicator is for. That's why I look at it here and not just here. Because if I was just looking here, I'd be like, okay, maybe let me go ahead and tap that out. Let's go trade and view. But that's why I look at both of them, y'all. Let's go in 1 hour. Okay. And be like, okay, let's go ahead and pull out. I'm in some good profit, $60. Okay, price done came back up and touched the 45. But price done told me twice already. It went past the 45 here. That means it tried to break it. Now it's finna come back up and finally break it. And look, my price is trying to form my W. Look at this. Trying to form my W. Okay? You pay attention to the patterns of the market and you just learn and study this. Okay? Trying to form a W. So just be patient. Price done came up here. You know what I'm saying? And here. This is my line. This is my zone line. Right? So price comes up and down to this zone, right? I drew out my zone line. Can you see that? And this candlestick is almost touching my zone. And my zone line is at, where is my zone line at? 28536. Where is my TP at? My TP is at 28519. So my TP is even lower than my zone line. This is what a spur of the moment thing. I wanted you guys to catch what's happening and why you should just be patient to the close of the hour. Okay, set your TP, have confidence in it. Doesn't matter what price do, it's going to ride back up to my TP because, again, that's what the charts are telling me. That's what the charts are saying. So sometimes it takes that last 15 minutes of the hour. We got in at 10 o'clock. Sometimes it takes the whole hour to ride out to that TP. But I set that TP for a reason. And again, it's under my zone and trading view. All right, so I put my zones in trading view. It's under my zones in trading view. And it's also under my middle street here in Hugo's Way. And it also is, I have read the charts. Price has retested my TP twice. Price even closed like right below my TP there. And I know if I would have made my TP at that close, I probably would have been tapped out already. But based on what I'm looking at on the charts, price is going to go past my TP. My TP is not being greedy because I could have had my TP all the way up at the green street. I could have put my TP all the way up there or even all the way up at the 45. But that would have been taking a risk. This is safe. My TP is safe. Guys, I didn't get to catch it happen on live. I know I didn't. It's 12:05 right now. I'm about into that trade at 10 o'clock. It's 12:05 right now. And we just made $176. Literally, my TP hit at 11:17. So I made $176 in an hour and 17 minutes. And really, as y'all see, I have my lot size at 0.02. I usually put my lot size at 0.04. So if I would have just, I was testing out a new strategy, trading off of the 4 hour instead of trading off of like the 15 minute and the 5 hour and looking at the 1 hour. I was testing out trading off the 4 hours. So I put my lot size low because I didn't know, whether it was going to work or not. Like, I don't test in my live, in my demo account. I test in my live account, y'all. Y'all see them greens? That means price hit my TP. I didn't drop out of that. I set my TP. I did change my TP, y'all. If y'all seen my TP before, I changed it, but price did end up hitting my TP. If we go back to the candlestick, see, that's why I said be patient. Because my TP was like 519. Right, and this candlestick, if it'll do it, come on, this is where price is at now. So at 11:17, it had hit my new TP that I set. Come on. Oh, it's because I got this alert thing on. Let me click off of this now. Price will give it to me. Okay, so the high went to 28533. You see that? The high went to 28533, and my original TP was at 28519. Y'all see that? I would have tapped out right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is where price is now. If I would have waited, if I would have just left my TP, it would have tapped at my first TP. But I changed my TP. But see, this is what happens when y'all see that? And y'all can see that I had my TP originally at 28519. And the high went up to 28533. So it smashed my TP. I was right. Guys, like, I'm showing y'all how to read the charts. I'm showing y'all how to do it. I'm testing out this method that I've been back testing. And I sat here and made $176 in an hour and 17 minutes. At 11:17, I was out. Even if y'all just take the 12 away, okay? Let's just take the 12 away because I didn't record it at 11:17. But I'm gonna show y'all screenshots of the group chat that I put it in, right? And because we had this little group chat or whatever that we do, I'm gonna show y'all screenshots of that so you know at 11:17 I'm being for real. But even if it was, I'm being for real. But even if it was at 12, 10 to 12, 2 hours, I made $200. Huh? Your girl could work 2 hours a day and then I have my whole day to myself. Like, who wouldn't want that? Like, this is what Forex can do for you. Like, and this is my live Hugo's Way live US 30.
Yeah. Second guess myself. That's okay. Still hit it. We going back in US 30 again to see what we can get again from US 30 again, so we can make this money. So we can get this gravy. I want gravy on my mashed potatoes, please. Y'all don't mind me, I'm silly.
My battery is dying here, but I'm trying to get some recording in for y'all. I don't have that much space left on my phone, but if I have to go to my other phone, my iPhone, and start recording some too and just merge these videos together, that's what's probably going to happen. But it's 125 now. Again, I'm going to try to see if I can go in again and make another few $100 right quick today in US 30. We're still in US 30. So what I'm thinking, based on looking at the 1 hour and based on the fact that price still looks like, price just formed an M. So when it forms an M, it usually has a W connected to it. That's usually what price does. So, and it's consolidating in between my zone here. So I know it does M's and W's in between the zones. Okay, so because, US 30 is on the up and up. So if you look at it on the 4 hour, US 30 is on the up and up. It's forming higher highs. Form that, drop down, and formed a higher high. So it has to do this drop down, and it's going to continue up into this higher high. Okay? But that's on the 4 hour, baby. But at some point, and you see how, look at this drop here. So price is going to probably take 2 or 3 candlesticks to reach back up to here on the 4 hour. Right? So it's 1:26. So probably at like maybe 2 or 3 o'clock, I might get in this one. Let me look at it in Hugo. Let me go to the 1 hour and see what's going on my 1 hour chart. Zoom out of this a little bit. This down so I can see. I need to see what ADX is. ADX is entangling right now, so probably not 2 o'clock. But, okay, so you see what's going on here on the 2 hour. Now, it is probably, again, here we see this M and this W. So it is going to probably come up here and continue this W at some point very soon. So sometime between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock today, I am going to tap some more money. I am waiting on a 1 hour for price to close over this middle point, because once it closes over this middle street, because you see here how the 20 is curving up. The 20 doesn't do anything but direct price. If you look at the 20, it directs price where to go. Okay, price needs to come down. Now the 20 is crossing here, and that's saying now it's time for price to go up. Boom, boom, boom. Now the 20 crosses here, and it's like, okay, price is coming down. Now you see the 20 looks like it's about to head in a direction where it's going to cross again. So the 20 is telling me that it's about to point up, right? And especially since this 200 is coming up. But anyway, the 20 is trying to make everything fall back in line. So it might consolidate just a little bit. I wouldn't even look at the 4 hour for real in Hugo. It doesn't tell me much, but the fact that my ADX hasn't did anything, and well, my Stokes still say we're in a buy. So, and this kind of still says we're in a buy. This is saying a little sell, but If this one turned to a blue, I know then we're good to go all the way jumping to the other street. Really, I shouldn't even pay attention to this one. Let me delete that one. I meant this one. Oh, this one's still in blue. This one's in blue. Okay, well, this one's okay. Yeah, that bottom one. Yeah, don't pay that no attention. I don't know why I have that on my chart. Oh, I'm going to take out some oscillator off too. Okay. This is really all I need on my chart. And oh, I don't need to be able to see you that good because you're just colors. Okay. And back to trading view. Looking at what she's doing on the 4 hour. So okay, so good thing I got 2 phones, good thing I got the iPhone to back me up. So in trading view, like you see price, you see what price did, marked on my little zones, you see what price is doing this pattern. Okay, you see how it did kind of this M, kind of ugly little M right here, and then came and formed a W and went up. Look at what price did here. M look like it finna form the W and take me up. But not just that too. Look, price came up to this zone, came back down, broke through it, came to the next zone, tried to retest, but buyers was too strong, came all the way up to this zone, and then came back down to retest this zone. Broke through it, boom, 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 came up, came back down to retest this zone. Now it's retested this zone. So now, boom, boom, boom. Look at the pattern, retest the zone, come up, retest the zone, come up, retest the zone, come up. Okay, so I'm just waiting on my right signal to get in that buy up. Because that buy up is going to be smooth and sweet, baby. So we're waiting. I'm going to come back and check it at probably like 150. And I'm going to come back and check. And then I'm probably for the whole from 2 to 3 o'clock, I'm going to just be looking to see off of the 15-minute chart when is the best time to get in. And y'all can watch me make some more money live, and we'll see how much money I make today on this good September the 1st, 2020. So I have my trade in. I got in at 2:30, y'all. And price was at 28557. So I didn't go for my TP1, which was 563, because I was too close and it's not enough profit for me to stack. Like the point is, I put my TP1 at my second TP, which is 28610, and then I'm gonna stack when I get there probably twice to ride it to my third TP, which is 28656. Okay. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm not doing bad. It's straddling at my entry point, I know, but when I look at it in trading view, it's like past the zone already. So now she's going to ride up, like the 4 hour is going to close past this zone. And if I look at it in the 1 hour, you know, she's passing at 3 o'clock. She's going to close over that zone, and she's going to shoot up some more, and she's going to come to she's going to smash my CP3. Like, so we're going to watch it play out. Hopefully I can catch it live this time, y'all. Already in profit, and I just entered at 2:30, 3 minutes in, and we're consolidating in profit. So that's how you want to consolidate in profit. And if I win this one as it stands where my TP is, I will stand to gain $105 off of this one trade, which I'm going to stack, so it's going to be more than 105. But you see where I'm consolidating at, and price is going down at, like I'm risking $2. Like, so this was a really, really good entry point at 2:30 because price is not going super down, and it's like it's saying look, and it's getting higher more than it is lower. So you see that was a super good entry point. So we're gonna come back to that when I stack, so I can show y'all how I stack and why I stack and where I stack at. Now, the reason I'm gonna tell you my analysis behind this, I did not just guess against 237 and 1. Okay, I did not guess, and again, I'm in my trade, y'all, that I'm seeing right now. Okay, I'm in a little bit of profit right now. Again, is in my Hugo's Way live account. Like, I'm not trading, I don't know, demo account, right? And I'll probably get in for another buy, probably around, look at that sky right now, either 2:45 or 3 o'clock. I'm gonna check the 15 minutes, see what they're doing. But really quick, I want y'all to come to TradingView and see why I said this. Not only is this a candlestick, I'm not just trading off candlestick patterns. Yes, this is an engulfing candlestick pattern, and that's great. But also look at this. Not the market is also, you see an M&W pattern. So I use M&W pattern, engulfing candle, and the zone. I marked up my zones. Look at that skyrocketing past the zone. I marked up my zones, and guess what? The market is telling me on my zone, at my zone, a bullish engulfing formed. Therefore, I have 3 signals that the market is going to shoot up to the next zone, right? Because the market came back down to this zone after it passed this one before it came and shot up to the next zone, right? That's what it just did. So it's doing that same thing again. It's coming back down to this zone, but it's already passed this one. It's come back down to this zone before it passed and reach really the next zone. It's probably going to try to form a higher high, but really we're just riding it here. My TP3 is here, just the next zone. I know it's going to come up because at this zone, an engulfing candle form, and it touched this zone too. So price is going to shoot up to the next zone because it did a candlestick pattern at a zone. And you can see the MW. Like, candlestick pattern at a zone, and you see the MW. Make this money. Make this money. Alright, and I'm probably about to stack this. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to stack this. I'm gonna come back. Okay, so at 2:42, this is what I'm looking like. I got my 3 orders in. I stacked on there because I was in profit on my first one. And you see my stop losses. One of them, my TPs, one of them is my TP2 and 2 of them are around my TP3, right? So I have all 3 of mine in, and now we just wait to see what time price hits my TP. So I moved it up from 610 to 650 because I'm just feeling lucky, y'all. I'm just feeling great about this. I'm feeling like price is going to respect this zone because it's done came back 14 times. Yeah, I'm giving y'all this for free. I'm giving y'all this tea for free. I'm showing you for free. I just stacked in front of you. I just showed y'all how to do a stack. And we just sitting here waiting on the charts to tap my TP. Look at that. Look at her go. 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 Look at this money, this quick money I'm making on a Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday, y'all. On a regular Tuesday. On a regular, look at her going down. That's fine. Go down. Because I know price is going to come back up and respect that point.
Y'all tell me who doing this. Tell me who's showing y'all live. Put it in the comments. I want to hear it below. Who is doing this? Who on YouTube do you know is going on live and showing you guys live how they make money live? I'm not talking about going back into the past and showing you guys, oh, this is my strategy. Here, do you see this thing here? And boom, and this is what I did, and I entered here, and I made this much money here. No, I'm talking about who's doing it live. Who's showing y'all? Who recorded? Who's doing it like this? Who's showing y'all that they're for real and showing you their strategy and giving you the gravy? Who's doing it?
Now, price, what is you doing, price? Why you down here? No, you ain't supposed to be down here. But see, this is when people get scared. This is when people get scared and they tap out and they pull their money out the market when it starts going this way, but guys, I'm not sweating it. I got the money in my account to withstand this little pullback right here. Like, we literally just made 176 on the first trade of the day. And I'm showing you guys this. I want you guys to see this, how much my account is going in the negative versus when we come out on top of this, how much money I'm going to make. All right, let the market do what it do. I don't care. I know what price say it's going to do. Okay? All right. So we'll be back because this ain't about to stress me out. I know what price gonna do. All right. Bye. I mean, this what y'all want. This what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see somebody that's gonna be real with y'all and be real and show y'all what it really takes to make money in the market. It takes patience. It takes understanding that the market is going to do this right here, especially if you're trading off a higher time frame. All right, guys. So just be confident in your trades. Just be confident that you know what the market is going to do, and then just go for it. Give it your all. Give it your best. Okay. All right. I mean, guys, you can't have no emotion in Forex. You can't have no emotion. Some of y'all be saying, oh, I could have took my money. I could have took, oh, we already had so much money. I could have took that money. I just walked away my profits. And then y'all get to crying and then you pull out and then you take a loss. And then you look back 45 minutes later and price done came back and hit your TP. The markets always do that. Patience equals profit, baby. But this is what y'all want though, right? Somebody be real with y'all? Or y'all want somebody to act like it's all sugary and your account's not gonna. This is what they say when they mean risk management. Guys, there is $8,000 now in my account from that trade that we did this morning. I started off for like $9.91 and now there's $11.68. Okay. And I'm at negative 100, so it's not hurting me. You know what I'm saying? It's not hurting me. You know what I'm saying? That's risk management. That's why I'm at 0.02. I could be at 0.04 and be at negative 200 and it still wouldn't hurt me and be making double the profit. But like, I'm managing my risk very well, so when price do this, just let it be alright. It's gonna come back. She always gonna come back. She always gonna rise. She always has to respect those candlestick patterns and those stuff that we talked about. Like, just trust it. Just don't get in here and be looking at this stuff and be scared. Like, people get in here and they look at the markets and they're scared, and they get scared when they see negative. But if you manage your risk properly, my balance is 1168. This negative 80 ain't hurting me. That negative 100 ain't hurting me. That's not hurting me. I'm gonna let the trade play out. And it's still not coming near my stop loss. I got my stop loss set. I got my TP set. Long as price don't tap me out of my stop loss. Let it do what it's gonna do. And stop being scared to make money. Scared money don't make money. Stop being emotional. Take your emotions out of trading and use your brain. Trading is not the place for emotions unless it's a happy emotion, unless it's oh, I don't care what the market doing. That's the only emotion allowed in Forex. You have to have a positive attitude. You have to just use your brain and analyze. Do your analysis. Trust it. Know that the market is going to do its up and downs. Don't sit here and stare at the charts like I'm doing, because I'm recording so that y'all can see why I say don't sit here and stare at the charts, because your heart is fluttering, your emotions going up and down because you see yourself losing money, but you're not really losing it if you just wait it out. Alright, so I'll be back. So y'all, I was watching the charts, and remember how I had 3 in, now I got 4 in, and I did the last one at a .01, just because I didn't want to push it. Once your margin gets under 100%, Hugo's Way won't let you put in any more orders, so I didn't want to push it, so I did at a .01, and yeah, we're back on the profit train. It did a little dip, but we're back on the profit train now. And I'm gonna let that ride up to my TP and make this money. So price broke back down on me, and I tagged that one more time at a .01. Basically, I taxed her for taking me on that ride down there. And now she's riding back up like she should be. Like she very well should be. And getting me to where I need to be. Y'all, patience equals profit. This is Forex. This is what Forex can do for you. Look at where we are now, guys. It's 4 o'clock. And we're almost at my TP. Look at what price doing. Oh, price is making me so happy right now, guys. Like, price is making me happy. You can see as it taps, my money's going away. It's going away. As it go ahead and tap it. As it go ahead and tap it. It goes off and it leaves my chart, and price is still climbing up. That's what I'm saying, guys. And it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. And when do we enter that trade? 2:30. And let's see where our balance is at now. We was just at 1100, and now we're at 17. So, guys, we made... Look at those 4 trades. Look at how much I just made. Look how much I just made in those 4 trades for US 30. Remember I said all the remember them TPs was between 650 and 653? It hit all 4 TPs. And look how much we just made. And it's 4 o'clock, y'all, and I caught it live. I'm glad I caught it live, y'all, so y'all could see it live. And now y'all can believe in the power of Forex and the power of my strategy. And I'm literally showing you guys my strategy. Look at the W now that has formed. I told you it was forming a W. Look at the W now that has formed. Let's go back and look at it at Trading View. Remember I told you that price came down to the zone and formed a bullish engulfing? So that price was going to continue to form this M and come up to this W. What did price do? What did price do, guys? Live, I just showed you. I just gave you the answers. I can help you learn how to mark up your charts. I can help you learn what EMA, what movement averages to put on your charts. I can help you learn candlestick patterns. I can help you learn all of this. M's and W's. I can help you learn it. I'm willing to help you. I just showed you live that it works. I just sat here and showed you guys live. I just said, and I started, y'all seen I started with like $990 in my account, and now my balance is up to $1,740 in one day, right? So that's about $800 that I made today. You know, live. Look at the W.
I'm sorry, I get excited when price come in my TP. I get excited when I make money in the markets. I mean, who wouldn't, guys? It's like you're sitting at home in front of the computer all day long, not doing anything. Well, you are doing something. You're analyzing the charts, but you're trading currency. Like from home. Guys, it's COVID-19. Like we're quarantined. We're doing nothing. We're in the house. Some people need a way to make money when they're at home. And if you need an opportunity to make money when you're at home, like Forex can be that opportunity. Plenty of people in groups that I've joined have literally quit their job because of Forex. I mean, I quit my job before I started Forex, and that's why I'm able to be so successful, because I put hours in. I put time in. Even though I've been trading less than 3 months, I put hours in. I treated Forex like a business, like a job. I get on those charts every day, and I'm looking at those charts, and I'm back testing, and I'm studying, and I'm analyzing, and I'm constantly learning, and I'm constantly at it. So that's why I'm able to be successful. Sorry about that, guys. That's why I'm able to be successful. It's because I treat it like a business. And I actually study and I actually have a strategy, right? And I actually pay attention to what's going on in the markets. And again, guys, I mean, I joined groups like IML and some other groups out there, and I've been scammed. I've spent money and invested money. And I will say, I don't think IML is a scam. I just think that it wasn't the right opportunity for me, you know, because of the recruiting and team building and stuff like that. I'm not really into like the recruiting to get, you know, referral fees and stuff like that, to get residual income. I'm not into that. Like, I joined Forex to learn how to trade, not to learn how to recruit. And that's really the only reason why IML didn't work for me. You know, they did give me some tidbits of information and some knowledge as a basic, as a background to get started in Forex. And that, you know, I was introduced to the opportunity through that platform. So I'm grateful for it. But at the same time, I feel like you don't need them. You know, you don't need IML if you don't really want to build a Forex team. Because you can really learn. I mean, I went to YouTube University, guys, and learned what I learned. Hours of just looking at video after video after video after video, subscribing to all these people's channels, reading books. Guys, you know how many Forex books I've read? Like, probably like 10. And that's probably not a lot. There are probably way more. I mean, I know there's way more than 10 out there. But again, guys, I've put the time in. So I will say that I deserve the success. You know, everybody that I have showed my strategy or I have given tips on how I do Forex, they've been successful. They are able to win trades. They're not losing their trades anymore because, you know, when you, I don't try to change things up. I don't try to do anything new in the markets. I read books and I take tips from the people that have won and wrote books about it and made videos about it. I mean, I won't say I have one particular mentor, but I have paid for mentorship. I have. And that's because I wanted to shorten the learning curve for myself. There is a huge learning curve in Forex. If anybody tells you that you can learn Forex for free, it's not necessarily a lie, but there is a huge learning curve, guys. It's a big learning curve. And if you don't have the bread really to blow in the markets trying to learn how they work, then I would highly suggest you get a mentor or you get someone to train you and teach you how to analyze the markets. Because it's not something that you can just jump in and make quick money. Yes, you can make a lot of money very quickly in Forex. But if you're just jumping into it and you think that's how it's going to go, baby, I'm sorry. You, like I said, there's people been doing this longer than me. I've been doing this less than 3 months. There's people been doing this 8 months, 12 months, 2 years that are in my inbox. Hey, what are you doing? How are you winning so much? What's your strategy? Can you help me? And I'm just like, but that's because these people are part-timers. And there's nothing wrong with being a part-timer. There's nothing wrong with working and learning Forex. There's people who are able to successfully do it and quit their job. I have seen plenty of people quit their job. You know, in this less than 3 months that I've been in Forex, the groups that I've joined and the people that I've connected with and met, I have seen people quit their jobs. And just do Forex. Heck, I'm somebody that did quit my job, and I'm glad I did. Like, I'll never go back to work for anybody again. Forex has allowed me to be at home every day. I mean, we're quarantined anyway, so we have to be at home. But why not take this quarantine time to stack that bread? Like, why not? To learn a new skill that nobody can take away from you. Like, once you learn Forex, guys, when I tell you, coronavirus or not, people are making money in Forex. Hello. Somebody banked off of coronavirus. Somebody banked. Like, I'm talking about big bread. I'm talking about there's money in Forex. It can change your life. I know you have heard it from people, from plenty of people. It's true. I'm at home every day. I'm able to start my own business, and I'm able to start my own ventures. I'm able to live my own life. I don't have to support someone else's business and someone else's dreams. I have the opportunity now to do that for myself. I have a skill that I can teach to my children, and they won't ever have to work for anybody else. Forex can do that for you just like it did for me. I'm nobody special. Well, I do believe I'm special, but I believe everybody is special in their own way, honestly. But again, guys, it's not rocket science if you have the right people in your corner teaching you. Like, I want everybody to be successful. That's just the type of person I am. I believe, number one, in the law of attraction. I believe that you attract what you put out. So I'd like to put out positivity. I like to put out honesty. I like to put out success for other people. Like, if people are asking me for help, I like to give them the right answer so they can be successful. So that success can bounce back to me. Hey, that's the law of attraction, guys. That's how it works. I also like to I also actually believe, like, heavily that, that we can all eat, guys. We can all eat. I don't have to just eat by myself. Like, we can all eat. Like, that, you know what I'm saying? Like, people, we don't have to, that's the thing about the community. If we come together and help one another, we as a society, we as a community can do better, can be better, and can achieve more. I wholeheartedly believe that. Like, I want people to succeed. I want people to win like I'm winning. You know what I'm saying? It makes me happy to hear that when I tell other people that they're winning, it not only reinforces what I've learned, to hear that not only does it work for me, but the way I explain it to other people, it makes sense and they're making money too. Like, it makes me happy. Like, it makes me elated, So if you want to learn Forex, I can help you. Click that link below this video, and you can definitely set up a meeting with me, and I can help you learn Forex. If you already know a little about Forex and you just need a strategy, I can share my strategy tips with you. Definitely click the link below and get with me. If you're brand new to Forex, I definitely have something for you too. So definitely get with me, guys. I want to help as many people as I can, because the more people I help, the more the universe is going to help me and bless me in return. So really, guys, that's all I'm looking for. Like, me, I'm the type of person in life, and guys, I'm rambling, but honestly, I'm looking to give as much as I can, because the more I give, the more life will continue to take care of me and mine. You know what I'm saying? And we can all eat together. Like, we can. We can all enjoy life and live life the way it's supposed to be lived. And the way it's meant to be lived together. Like, honestly. So, guys, let's eat. Take this quarantine opportunity to get your money. You know what I'm saying? It's so many hustles out there. But Forex ain't going nowhere, baby. It's been here since before I was born. It's going to be here long after I'm gone, baby. It's going to be here. Well, maybe not since before I was born. Guys, it's a $3 trillion market. Like, it's money. Money is traded every single day. Well, not on the weekends, but guys, I'm telling you, it's time to get paid. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to stop rambling now. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button, or hit the bell, so you can get a notification the next time I post a juicy gravy video, letting you guys know all the info, all the gravy. Bye-bye.